welcome back to Project Third Eye, and these are not like that new, but these are one of the newest melee weapons. Well, yeah, they're considered melee weapons. So let's just try them out. What the heck? Anyway, let's try the taser. Oh, we can't get out. So let's see if I want to punch him. Oh, we got out. Did it broken? Let's see how good this does on him. Ooh. Do they die from a taser? I'm pretty sure nobody can die from a taser. You can, but... Oh, he did get back up. Oh, now he wants to fight. Oh, and guys, yeah, before I kill him, I just want to say, yeah, this is pretty cool. Handcuffs and tasers. So, let's just kill him. Peace.